Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And to start off, let's just get right into that market cipher chart for Bitcoin like we always do. And boom, right there, a 13 and a -4 at the moment. Oh, sorry, not a -4, just a regular 4, so 13 and a 4. Again, we went from a 21, right, and a -3 to a -2 to a 15, and then we start to roll over. We're now back to a 13 and a -4, so looking quite bearish. And like I outlined in yesterday's video, actually, I don't think I outlined this in yesterday's video. I was talking about this in the Discord for gold members, but I'll talk about it now. And basically, I was saying that we have had some previous times where we've got a big green dot, like we've just got one right now. But we did ended up rolling over and continuing down towards the down. We actually saw some more downside after that. So I told people, just because we're getting some green numbers right now in the daily time frame, don't get too excited. It's possible that we could have a continuation pattern towards the downside and possibly tag the $25,000 to $24,000 level. Right now we have started to roll over already. Does it mean that we are the 100% guaranteed going to roll over and go straight down to 25,000? No, absolutely not. But it's just something I'd like to outline and for people to take into account before they're going all in on their trades, because yeah, just want to let you guys know. But yeah, moving on, let's take a look at our Bitcoin chart right here. And like I said I guess yesterday's video and into this morning as well, I was saying that potentially Bitcoin could be in this bear flag right now, a continuation pattern towards the downside. And look at that, we just broke out and then we came back up and retested it as resistance, and now we're starting to move towards the downside. After all, the traditional markets today got absolutely destroyed, with the NASDAQ closing almost -5%, -4.73, and the SP 500 -4%. I think this was correlated with or because of the target. Where's my consumer? So many charts here. Consumer. There we go. I guess I didn't have Target, but Target reported really bad earnings apparently. Let's take a look at Target. Pushing down Walmart and Costco as well. There we go, -24% on the day. So we'll just add it right now to the consumer staples. But there you go, causing Walmart and all the other stocks to sell off as well. But actually Walmart started selling off because they had their earnings last week, I believe, or not too long ago, a couple days ago. But yeah, they're down over 17% already, and another 6% today. But yeah, let's just get back to Bitcoin right now. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Man, I got too many coins. And by the way, I organized everything in the Discord for all you gold members, Aave, and from A to B. sorry, A to Z. Everything's alphabetic now. So let's take a look at Aave quickly. And bam, there you go. We got rejected from that trend line that I outlined right there. That blue trend line, I said we could potentially be coming back up here to 95.3, and then boom, if you would have shorted from this point, you'd be up about 15% right now. With some leverage, you could be up 10 leverage, 150% right there. Let's take a look at Atom. Atom, again, not holding that $11 support right there, but again, we retested it so many times. The more you retest support, eventually it's going to start to break. So you saw a retest right there, a retest once again, and then the third time it broke down, and now we're starting to head towards the downside. Your next major support is going to be around $8.92, $8.95. I might be looking to put a potential trade in Atom, depending on where Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin keeps moving towards the downside, then yeah, I'm going to be looking at 892. But if it's completely crashing, maybe down to past 25, then I'm going to be looking at some significantly lower levels. Let's take a look right here. $7.15 is going to be your next major support for Atom. So let's zoom out, we'll see why. And there you go, you got some previous tops right there, the previous top right there. So that's going to be acting as support. Let's take a look at AVAX. Now everything is so organized, it's so neat, and everything is you guys for the gold. There, you guys are gold members. You guys will be able to access all these charts, and it's all in the Discord. So let's move on. AVAX, yeah, we're in AVAX. AVAX, your next support is going to be around $23.47, and if we don't hold that level, your next major support is going to be around $9.52. But I still expect we get a bounce around $23. Again, a lot of people are expecting a bounce for Bitcoin around 27,000. I believe they're expecting it to go down a little bit more. But again, if AVAX drops down that much, that is a 68% move. So some big moves here, but again, these are major support levels, so you should be able to get a bounce and, you know, maybe ride it up back to 32 before you start to see some resistance once again. Let's take a look at EOS. Is it EOS? No, EOS is making new all-time lows actually. We'll zoom out a little bit for you guys, and there you go. You can see the EOS chart right now. Just this coin is at $1.23. It had a high, oh my god, it had a high of $14 at one point, and now it's completely collapsed. It's all the way down here, down over 91%, so doing quite bad. And yeah, let's just take a look at a few other ones. I believe Chainlink, is looking quite nice as well. If we do start to come down, $5 or $4.99 is going to be your next support. After that, you want to take a look at $2.97, and after that, $1.47 as your final level of support. And then if you break that level, then you might be looking at probably like 36 cents. You know, this thing is going to be completely collapsing if we do get to those levels. Again, this is all going to rely on what the Bitcoin is going to be doing, so definitely pay attention to that. And right now, let's take a look at near down 4% already. Your next major support is going to be around $4.85 in my opinion. You might, you know, you could start to chance along around $4.50, but your major support is going to be around $4.08, not 85 cents. Yeah, and I think I had a few requests the other day to take a look at some meme coins. So we'll take a look at Shiba Inu. Again, Shiba Inu, you know, if you guys don't know this coin, it made a very big rise from these levels right here. I think it was even lower before. It was like near the, it's up like 600,000% or something crazy like that. But overall, if Shiba Inu comes down, your next support is going to be around these levels as well. And this is all accessible in the Discord if you're a gold member. And after that, you're gonna, if you break that level, your next support is going to be around these levels right here. Again, I can't even begin to pronounce these prices, but yeah, very low. Let's take a look at SLP. Another request right here. Again, these are, in my opinion, complete shit coins. I don't think they're going to be performing very well when Bitcoin starts to crash. Again, you could pick these up in the bear market. Again, you are taking a significant amount of risk when buying these coins, so definitely take you know, minimize your risk by reducing your position sizes, and you know, just use proper risk management. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana, a very nice coin to trade as well, and getting perfectly rejected right here at $57.75, getting a few wicks above, but ultimately coming down. And right now, your next support is going to be around $44.02. Or basically $44 or $43, depending on how much leverage you use. You could try to really catch the bottom around these levels right here on $43.50. But yeah, overall, if Solana doesn't hold those levels, your next support, major support, is going to be around $22.05 around these lows right here. Let's take a look at XMR, and then we'll just end it right there. We'll take a look at some indexes and some commodities after that. So let's take a look at XMR. XMR, a beautiful chart right here. Again, unfortunately, I was not able to short this. I was too busy at the time, but if you guys would have entered here around, like I've outlined in previous video, around 177.50 cents, you'd be up over 13% right now in a short position. Again, I expect some support to come around 134.90 cents. That's going to be some major support right there, and after that you can see some stronger support coming around this level right here, 125, or basically $125, and after that $98.60. And if we do get a big market crash, you know, sometimes these support levels won't hold at all. You're going to go right through them like butter, especially if Bitcoin starts to collapse. But yeah, let's take a look right now. You can see that XMR is starting to find some support at the moment around this previous high right here. But if this level doesn't hold, you're going to be really wanting to take a look at 134.90 cents. All right, let's wrap it up right here. I think that's a good place to end it for today. Again, Bitcoin coming down and retesting $28,800. I believe we closed the day underneath this level. We closed at 28,715, and now we're trying to get it back above it. But again, things are not looking too good right now. Again, this was the previous low right here and a previous low right here, and now we're just again, we did not get a big bounce like we were expecting, and we are starting to roll over and retest it once more. So just pay attention and be careful when you're making your trades. Now let's take a look at natural gas. We have a play on natural gas at the moment, which is going quite well. Let's just see how it plays out tomorrow. Again, if natural gas starts to come down, your next support level is going to be around $6.87, and some major support coming around $6.54. So if you guys are shorting nat gas with me, you know, pay attention to the stock trades, because I'm going to be updating you guys there. Again, we're going to average into our position, and we're going to do a little bit better on our KOLD. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, you know, moving sideways now, finding some support around this previous trend line right here. Again, this trend line was acting as major support, major resistance, and now it's flipping as major support. So if we do start to get a nice bounce from gold, I'd really like to see that. Again, I'm starting to accumulate some gold positions, and all you guys in the Discord are well aware of that. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ getting absolutely killed today, falling all the way down to its previous support level right here around 11,852. But if that doesn't hold, you know, you could probably take a look at 10,900, but we're probably going to get a bounce before then. You know, markets are quite oversold at the moment, but you know, inflation is a massive problem, and Jerome Powell keeps talking about a soft landing, even though we're coming down like a freaking meteor. The markets are going to absolutely crash. You know, we've never seen such a fast rate hike in the history in the last 40 years. Let's just zoom out right here, take a look at the 10-year bonds. Again, you can see that every time they've tried to raise the rates, it hasn't worked. They always had to lower the rates and print more money because a recession would come. And you know, the Fed's always been trying to avoid a recession, and now that they're not able to avoid a recession by printing money, I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe they are going to just, you know, face the music this time, but honestly, I really don't think they're going to be able to do that. I think they're going to fold and they're going to cave in like they've always done, and then they're going to let inflation run hot, because there's nothing that they're going to be able to do. If they start to take away money, you can already see the knee-jerk reaction in the markets, and they won't be able to sustain that. In my opinion, I think they're going to go back to money printing. We're going to see 20% inflation, and then people are going to start to freak out. They're going to rush to gold, silver, safe haven assets. You're going to see Bitcoin potentially crash initially, and then they're going to start to flee into Bitcoin as a safe haven potentially as well, at least because they probably know that you won't be able to print any Bitcoin, unlike they're printing US dollars. But yeah, overall, thanks for listening, guys. A few more announcements. We're gonna be discontinuing the free Crypto Mickey Discord because it seems like it's just bots and scammers that keep joining there and nobody's talking. So in my opinion, I think it was kind of a waste of time. I made it so people could come in and chat, but it seems like people are just abusing it now just to join in for free and try and scam other people. But yeah, overall, thanks for listening, guys. If you guys want to support the channel, you can join my Discord, or you guys can sign up for Big Get Trading. Links in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.